Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank UNice Hair for sponsoring this video. They sent me over this 13x4 piano highlighted curly frontal, 22 inches. She's so stunning. She's stunning. Excuse me, she's definitely giving summertime curly wig, okay? Absolutely. Throw her in the cart. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on where you guys can find this wig, because this wig is absolutely giving. Yes. Yes, I'll take that one. Yes, absolutely. I sure will. Yes, so thank you so much for sending me this wig. If you guys want to see me install this wig and see all the goodies that you get with this wig, including this beautiful necklace they sent me with, can we talk about the branding? Can we talk about the, so freaking cute. Anyway, continue to watch if you guys want to see all that good stuff. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave that right there so you can follow me on Instagram. Let's put this wig on, okay? All right, y'all, so we got a UNice wig today. She's a cutie too. Okay, so everything is in the baggie like this. Wig cap is in there. Lashes. Some more wig caps. Edge wrap. Yeah. Ooh, what's this? It's like a little UNice bracelets. Or I'm sorry, I think it's a necklace. Let me open it up. Let's see. Yes, it's a necklace. So it has the little UNice. Oh, hold on, let me turn it around. The UNice logo, and then right there on the side it says UNice. That is so freaking cute. That's so cute. Like, honestly, they sponsor me so much. Hold on. Let me just put it on for the duration of the video. All right, I put it on, y'all. Look, yes. Then we have a baggie with a makeup brush that has the little branding on there. Another edge wrap. Yes, you get two. Some more wig caps and some more lashes, okay? Yes, double up. It's a double up. So on the packaging it says it's a 13x4 transparent lace wig. It's 22 inches and it's curly. It's a curly highlighter wig though. It comes in plastic like this. Right, so the wig looks like this. It is a curly highlighted frontal. This is what the parting looks like. As you can see, it is bleached. The knots are bleached. Here is what the edges are looking like, also pre-plucked. Yes, absolutely. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try not to pluck this. I'm gonna try to just wear it straight out the package. I'm gonna see. I'll let y'all know if I have to end up plucking it at all. But the curls are curling. So this is like a natural textured curl. These highlights are highlighting, okay? Hello, Peekaboo. Hello, Peekaboo. Let's get a close-up on the ends. The ends look really good. So I'm probably just gonna put some water and look at that. Body. So let's get into the construction of the wig. So this is a 13x4 lace front. So we do have parting and lace from ear to ear. We have a elastic band, adjustable straps, some extra lace here, 3 combs, left, right, and on the bottom. It's looking big girl head friendly from just like the first look. Yes, I love that. But yes, the curls feel really soft. The volume is there. What this is gonna look at my hair. I need to do something with this, okay? Like my Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this baby on, and y'all can watch me put this on, okay? And then I'll be back with my final thoughts.
All right, you guys, so I'm done with the wig. Okay, let me just say off the dribble, the highlights are everything. Excuse me. Let's get into the lace. It's hot in my room right now, so I'm sorry. It's like sliding and it won't stay. It will not stay laid, but this side looks better, okay? So yes, lace is looking good. The curls are looking beautiful. I love, these are my favorite type of curls. Okay, yes, so these type of curls are, yes, they are, yes, every time. Absolutely. So all I did was, I did put some foundation on the parting. I did not pluck the lace at all. I did not pluck at all, y'all. Again, I did not pluck. She looking good for a no pluck, okay? All I did was like put like a little, like a couple swoops in here, and like not even really, because like it's so hot in my room, like I can't even, like I can't, you know? The curls look beautiful. I put some water and conditioner in my hair, diffused it. The hair is all the way dry. I mean, these you don't love this? You don't love these curls? What? I would definitely be wearing this wig again. I will be putting this in rotation for the summer because absolutely. Let me show you guys the back real quick. So yes, that's the back, y'all. The hair is so full and beautiful. Like I love this. I love the highlights in this hair. It's like giving a little bit or a lot, you know, like yes, I'm definitely putting her back on, to say the least. I'm loving my necklace too. You do get a necklace in with your wig, and it has the little UNice logo, and then it says UNice across right there. Super, super cute. I love her. Again, this is a 13x4 frontal 22-inch piano highlighted curly frontal wig. I believe it's 180% density. Make sure you guys check out the description box below for all that information. Discount code, direct link, other wigs that they sell. Absolutely, yes. You guys need to be getting your hands on a UNice wig this summer. And if you, I mean, I think it should be this one, but they have so many other options, you know? But just think about what y'all want to be wearing this summer, okay? I say this one. You want to be wearing this one this summer, okay? It's so beautiful. Oh, also I did cut a couple of like layers right in the front just to frame my face just a little bit, because I like doing that. I like a little frame around the face. If not, it'll just like shoot straight down. So I just put like a little bit of layers in the front, like just a little bit. But yes. So yes, that is my review on this wig. Thank you again, UNice Hair, for sponsoring this video today. Make sure you guys check them out in the description box. I will have all the information in there, discount code included. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.